cracking, isn't he? Much buy a carrier bag, look. Much buy a carrier bag. There you go. Thank you. Thanks, please. Matthew. There. Well. Jack boy? You are? Yeah. Well, sorry, calf though. There. What are you seeing, Richard? Things are ready. I don't say anyway until we can't be like that's it, don't they? Wales, yeah. This ain't raining. This is a sunny day, yeah.
You're in Llafyllin. Tiny little stop off, so we are about 10 miles away from the lake. Something tasty. So this is the little village of Llafyllin. Look at this. And it's for sale.
Proceed to the route.
And the sat nav's still going.
Lake Vyrnwy. You're not wrong, we'll survive. Yeah. So with that, went down the street, that did it. There you go, there. 6 quid there, mate. I know, you can't argue that. How do you know? Are you trying it? How do I know it? Yeah. Well, I worked... When I came up here in '99 and I was working at... Yeah, thanks for that. I met his wife Sarah and Kathy's now my wife, Zoe and friends. They got working there and so we obviously I got friends.
Oh, linked up like there.
Up there now. 20 years. Yeah, it was in October 99 I came up here.
I only did my test in 2005. I've always ridden bikes all my life, but I never, because having to have a vehicle for my work,
Yeah.
I never bothered doing the test. But in 2005, what happened was, I went to Florida, and it was Daytona Bike Week. There's all these motorbikes. I said to the missus, I went, that's it, come back, do my test.
Rich. Would have cut out anyway. Huh?
Wales, you get into Wales.
Let's get this lock on. Like an umpty. Pussy hole. I just pulled off him with this lock on. Did I? Oh, good. Plonker. Okay, let's do it. Can't get used to these gloves. Too thick, man. It's like pulling up soon if it's fucking raining. Get my suit on. Just remember to keep wiping your lens every now and again. I reckon it might be time for our suits on when we get there. Yeah. That E-pad's working nice to me. Is it good? Yeah, it's like nice on my chin. Ah, we need to go up there. Okay. We'll wait for you, turn round. I don't know if to put my suit on now, do you think, or no? I'm going to wait till we get there. I'll wait then. We've already got some photos by signs and all, haven't we? Yeah. On the way back or something, just keep pulling up if we can. Get some random signs in. Swap the lens, Richie! Yeah, I just didn't mind. That's the thing with every camera. Yeah. That's what we need for the next generation cameras. We need ones with little wipers on. Yeah. Sensors, rain sensor. Or something like hair that'll blow it up clear. Yeah, I definitely need to look at getting one of them pin lock visors. I don't even know what did you do? Yeah, there's like on the inside you've got like another layered basically like another visor on the inside. It's basically, you know, like you can buy like them visor protectors what stick on. It's like them, but it's got like a little rubber seal around the edge, so it doesn't actually touch the visor. So there's like a bit of an air pocket between them, and apparently it's that what stops it missing up. Oh, we've got to go up there. Oh,
This is Steve's decent out with these kids. He's got the indicator on before. Yeah.
I think he knows it round here, Steve. Yeah, I think he's been probably here a few times.
So can you hear the sat nav, or do you have to keep looking at it?
Now you can hear it. Obviously, when we're talking, you can't, because when we're talking on these intercoms, talking takes priority. But when we're not talking, I've got music on, then the sat nav comes over the music.
Need our suits on in a
Yeah.
bit.
When we get down, we're only 3.5 miles away from it.
Might as well just get there.
See, that's the only thing with my camera on the back. I'm going to be able to use it with the power bank in this water, because I've got to leave the door open and on the side of the camera. Actually, I've got like a little plastic bag down in the back. I could put a little bag around it.
There'll be a way on YouTube, an hack of how to do it. Did you buy the waterproof case for that?
No, I've never seen one.
Really?
I've looked and looked, but no, I don't seem to do them for this. Because the problem is with mine, the door doesn't come off mine.
Oh, do we?
No, on the model after this, that one,
It does.
it did come off, but on mine it don't come off.
Have you got your head cam on?
Yeah.
Just see if I could see it lit up.
Can you see from there?
Can't see.
It's probably too far away, isn't it?
You can do it. Push him, mate.
I think that's it now. Yeah, I think we're coming down to it.
Oh yeah, that's nice. The scenery.
So I'd imagine coming round the other side of it is we go over the top of there. That's all the scenic route.
Okay.
So we might get some good pictures up there.
Yeah, it's lovely round here.
I think this is where it's about to start.
Camping, £3 per pitch there.
£3?
Yeah. £3 PP. That'd be alright,
Yeah.
that, wouldn't it? You know,
'Cause-
you could just, it'd be great. Could do that.
So you said, Eddie, because you think we got here in no time, don't we?
Yeah, you get here, but like, say you come Friday afternoon,
Yeah.
Friday night, whack your stuff there. It's a nice centre point
Yeah.
for some good riding.
Yeah.
You don't need nothing. There's nothing there at all by the
Yeah.
looks of it. Probably have to shit in a ditch or something. But
We'll have to probably come here later. So like as the season starts, about March, April.
Yeah. I don't. I mean, if nobody else wants to come, we can
Yeah, we're going to do it. But what we'll do this time is we'll bring some hot water bottles.
You know, it's a good idea,
Yeah.
eh?
Yeah, except we've got the kettle, so
Yeah.
might as well keep ourselves nice and warm.
Yeah. You don't mind, it's been snug there. Just adapt the way we can.
What the camera?
Oh, you know, I like that. If I've been out on a ride like this and I like to get back, when I get back in the night, I just chill in the back and then I might have a few beers.
Well, do we go down there?
What, the one we missed?
I think we might go down there, yeah. I think this is the route back.
A lot more. Oh yeah, and that's a nice...
Look at that. Could it coming out?
Oh, look at that.
Look at that beauty.
Bloody beautiful.
And there's a great place on here to take a picture.
Oh, let's do it. Some bikers already there.
Right here in these bits.
Oh, it's a bad memory for me. Which one's Steve going on? I'll come right for you.
We got some good pictures here of the bikes.
Sweet.
I've done it again.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's nice. It's a view and a half, eh? Lost a lot.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, let's get some pictures.
Oh, look at that.
Sit on your bikes. Sit on your bikes, I'll take a picture.
Yeah, I'll take a couple, but remind me
Not to leave your phone.
not to leave my phone anywhere. This is great. Even though the rain's great.
Yeah, love it. Love it, love it, love it.
It's got some... There we go, nice.
Steve.
Oh, cool, dude, you'll have taken because it's in the case. It's a wrong case, eh?
Oh, yeah.
So you lot can take pictures. I hate taking them. Means me getting it out of the case.
I'll tell you what.
Oh, look at that. You know what, Dad?
Look at that. But that's cold, that is.
Look at that for a view. Hey. I can't take any on mine because it's the wrong case and it's nice, eh? Oh dear. Back on the episode already.
Yeah, I just thought, only because the camera's different on yours, isn't it?
I'll have to get a proper case. See, I'll give me a dodgy one. Get one of us. Yeah, let's take some on your one of you. Don't get your spingy out again. I'm going to get my suit on, I think, in a minute.
Yeah.
Well. Tell Stephen not to look this way. Which one? Fix the car.
Steve.
Ready? Thumbs up. Yeah. I might put my waterproof on. What do you think? Fixing it? I don't know.
What time we get to there, we'll put them on down there.
Okay. Look at that for the view though, it's great.
I mean, you think this road goes all the way around there. You would think, would you, 12 miles the road? 12 miles long. Oh, look, they put this here for me.
Yeah, it's my short house.
All the way, yeah. All the way back round. And I think to get to Bala, you go over one of these. Apparently, like I said, them are supposed to be the views.
Smack. You want me to take one of you, Matt? I'll take one of you.
Hold on. He's playing his...
Who is it? Job. The job. Yeah, let me take one of you. Where do you want to stand? Stand there.
Whoa, look at that.
That's a good view. I said smile, but you can't see your face. Stand there. Yeah, another one.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, it's got to be amazing, you think. How do they build this and hold it back at the same time?
I could smell some. The what? I could smell something. Like funny. Like bread. I thought it was bread. I could smell bread.
Who's baking bread?
Yeah. You put your cob on there, warm it up. It is nice how I eat this place. I just can't take photos.
Yeah. Mad. Looks like it might be clearing a bit. So the sun's trying to come out.
Damn.
It's a good view, isn't it, that, Rich?
Yeah. Give me that. Damn.
There's a lot of mozzies around here. Rich.
It says smile.
Oh.
You'll have to send me the photo. So
Yeah, I reckon, Rich. The sun's trying to come out up there.
Yeah, I must take that, Brad, yeah.
Good.
Stuff on it. Oh, let me have another view.
I reckon they put that there for me. Tell me a picture took. They put that there for me, so we're all the same height.
It's lovely and warm on my chest.
Is it good?
Oh. It's a new camping app, an app. Buy them from Poundland when you're cold. Stick them all over in the night. Don't need a hot water bottle.
But we'll do that. We'll come here next year and camp. If it's just the one night.
Got my stickers on, look.
Yeah, I noticed. Yeah, we saw on the way here there's a campsite, £3 a night. We've got to come here when the season starts.
I need a hugger on this, so go shit it up. Matt's here again, look.
Some nice stickers you got there, Rich.
Yeah, the money like paper though, I think. I don't know if the ones that... Matt seems to attract
He does. He gets all the weirdos, doesn't he?
Oh. That's all the older
He's
men.
never got over Twinkle Toes though, has he? He loved him.
Oh no. He was a nice guy though, wasn't he?
Oh, I think that's it. Look, that's it.
Give him his
I think
number.
Matt's giving him his number. He's probably saying, if you come back later, mate, I'll get my tent out. I've got a tent for one.
I'm glad I got these.
I'll tell you what, that'd be a good picture from down there looking at this.
Oh yeah. We've got cameras out, look. So you see through there. Hey, that's a beautiful scene now. Oh, I thought that was a deer then. It's a dog. So bad my eyes have.
That's his wife.
Tiger. look like a tiger.
I reckon we don't need to put the suit on yet, Rich. I
Nah.
reckon it's brightening up. If he does, we'll stop on the way round.
Well, we done it last time up the road over. Nah, we're gonna chance it a bit. Sun's breaking through, look. We'll have that many cameras, we'll have every angle covered.
We'll have a job with Steven Spielberg.
It'll be like every time we go out, it'll be like a movie. Well, hour and a half movie. Well, a feeling of an itch right on my chinolati. Chinolata.
Do you fancy going canoeing?